So yeah, just thought we'd do a little video and we talk about the jewelry. First of all, thank you to both of you for coming here on such a short notice
Ade,
and being
come
a
on,
part of
not
this.
at all.
Thank you.
Not all right. Thank you.
And I've seen the trailers and I've seen some bits where we have seen some jewelry, but I'm obviously gonna wait for the final thing to be out and see all the jewelry which is being used. So some questions we had for both of you. So I'm gonna start with the first one.
Sure.
Since this movie is based on two different cultural weddings, how do you all manage to style the jewelry during the wedding scenes?
I think great thing about the cultures in India is that they're quite defined.
Yeah.
अगर आप एक राजस्थानी ब्राइड को ले लो फॉर एग्जांपल, जो बोर वो पहनती हैं अपने माथे पे, वो एक ऐसी चीज है जो हर कोई पहनता है. जैसे हर किसी की सुहाग की निशानी भी डिफाइंड होती है. कहीं जगहों पे यू लुक एट इट एंड यू नो दैट इट्स अ नथ. Some places
Exactly.
it is the mang tikka,
Mang
some
tikka.
places it is the chuda. So I think we've been very fortunate in terms of how beautifully defined the varied cultures are in India. It actually makes our job simpler, and more so because everyone is aware of it. Everyone creates jewelry to cater to those audiences. I wouldn't say audiences, to those customers. So I think that is something that we were well aware of, and made sure that those things were incorporated in the characters. For example, like even with Sanjay, the kind of sehra that he's wearing is something that goes back hundreds and thousands of years, and that's how it's been moving forward. The same way जो हम लोग चूड़ा पहनते हैं, वो इतने सालों की प्रथा है that that's something you can't get rid of, and it's beautiful in its own way. It's just that it's modernizing, designs are changing, but the core root of jewelry and from where it comes, like it is considered auspicious in so many ways. जब नई बहू पहली बार घर में जाती है तो आप उसकी झोली भरते हो, गले का, नाक का, कानों का, हाथों की चूड़ियां, अंगूठी ले लो आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल. वो चीजें कंप्लीट नहीं होती फिर, एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ आवर ट्रेडिशन.
So weddings में वो traditions आ जाते हैं, and even for men as well, wearing jewelry and brooches and things like that. बिल्कुल.
True.
Yeah.
True. Absolutely. Like how Kriti said, इतनी diversity है हमारे देश के अंदर ही, कि हर 100 किलोमीटर के अंदर ट्रेडिशंस और ये सारी चीजें बदलते हैं. And especially if you go up north, like I really have traveled quite a lot up north, तो वहां पे तो मतलब 100 किलोमीटर में ट्रेडिशंस बदलते हुए देखा है, पहनावा बदलते हुए देखा है. जुबान तो चलो हम सब जानते हैं, डायलेक्ट और ये सारी चीजें बदलती हैं, but it's so seeped in history, it is so seeped in heritage, and there's a sense of pride that with it. चाहे फिर वो और because I come from a middle class family and I've seen so many middle class families, वो extravagant शादियां नहीं होती है, लेकिन वो कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं, जैसे कृति ने कहा, चूड़ा हो या मांग टीका हो या नथ हो या आदमियों का ब्रोश हो या सहरा हो या फिर वो सिर्फ मोती हार हो जो शेरवानी के ऊपर उन्होंने पहना हुआ है. All of it goes years back, and वो एक sense of pride है, एक sense of identity है. Because of the diversity, there is so much of pride in your own identity. And you can actually see, और आपको तो बिहार की शादी देख के आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये बिहार है. अब राजस्थानी शादी देख लेंगे, आपको पता चल जाएगा राजस्थानी है. And that's across the country. So and true. Jewelry, India itself, for hundreds and thousands of years, has been known for its jewelry.
True, बिल्कुल. I mean, even I get asked these questions. I'll add also that even the goddesses change. If there's estimated 65,000 goddesses in our country. वो भी change होते रहते हैं.
वो भी change.
Yeah, if you go down south, you will see. Yeah. I mean, like down south also, ताली जो पहनते हैं हम लोग. So I'm from Bangalore.
Exactly.
And my mother, she didn't buy a Mangal Sutra for herself. She bought a tali. It's not कि उनका belief क्या है. She's a Punjabi lady. But the thing is, you get so inspired by what you see around you, and you find the beauty in these things, and you realize that you don't have to belong to a certain culture or religion to incorporate that in your lives or to absorb that within your lives. Like I am someone, I would love to have a tali in my future. Like my parents, I know that is something that they will give to me. आप जो क्या बोलते हैं टेम्पल ज्वेलरी अगर आप ले लो, even temple jewelry has so many variations down south. It is not one kind of temple jewelry. Like I said, 65,000 gods and goddesses, and we incorporate them and in every possible form when it comes to jewelry.
Yes. Okay. The next one is which piece of Amrapali jewelry that you wore for the movie are you most likely to take home with you?
Oh man, that's a very, very, very hard choice.
इसका बस चले थे सारी इतनी अच्छी थी सारी.
Actually, I loved the jewelry. You know, I have a small story to share with you. So when I had first gotten into acting and I started making a little bit of money, the first time that I had maybe a little bit to buy my mom a gift. And you know, आपकी जो semi precious stone wali collection hai, I went into the Amrapali store on MG Road in Bangalore, and I shopped from my mom from there.
There's a minor glitch, Tarang. I think I
Yes.
apologize. She'll be back. She'll be back.
No, sure. Anything you would like to take home to gift someone?
Yeah, I have a
Family?
very definite Amrapali story which I will tell you once she's done. या फिर मैं अभी बता देता हूँ. I actually, even when I started making my own money, जब थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा बनाना शुरू किया, और आम्रपाली तो obviously हमने देखा ही, और जुहू में तो मतलब जहाँ से काफी frequently आना जाना लगा रहता
Yes.
था,
जी.
तो वहां पे आम्रपाली का एक क्यूट सा डिस्टिंक्ट सा एक रोड के किनारे पे कितना डिस्टिंक्ट खूबसूरत स्टोर है. I went into that store one day and मैं ऐसी चक्कर काट के आया and I realized कि यार ये थोड़ा सा तो महंगा है, and I was dating someone that time. ठीक है. I very vividly remember मैं वहां गया, I saw a couple of things and the staff was so homely. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं किसी के घर आ गया हूँ, और उन्होंने मुझे पानी पिलाया, चाय पूछा, सब कुछ बिठा दिया, मतलब, और वो पापा की उम्र के वहां पे अंकल थे, तो मतलब it felt like कि मैं किसी के घर आ गया हूँ. ठीक है. And I very clearly told them कि I don't think I can afford this right now, but the girl I was seeing that time, she really liked Amrapali. मैं 5 या 6 महीने बाद वापस गया to buy something for her, and that has such a vivid, beautiful memory attached to it. तो 4-5 महीने बाद I went back there. उसके बर्थडे पे, her birthday was in December, and I remember I went and I bought something for her, Amrapali का. And she was so happy because मतलब वो मुझे पता था उसे आम्रपाली पसंद है, and I picked it up for her. This was like years ago. But so I have my own Amrapali in my life. मेरा एक aspiration था ये कि यार मैं अभी इसे afford नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I think मैं 4-5 महीने wait करके ना मैं ये लेके उसे दे देता हूँ. And I did that. And both of us were so happy. मतलब एक sense of achievement थी कि यार मैं right now I bought something from Amrapali and I gifted to her.
Very nice. So we have moved that store a little bit though, and we are now Starbucks के पास में आ गया है. It's diagonally opposite JW Marriott now.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो कभी आप वहाँ से निकलो देखना. It's now it's got a very Rajasthani arch look, और वो बड़ा आपको you'll not miss it.
बिल्कुल वैसे ही था यार.
बिल्कुल हाँ वैसे वो भी बिल्कुल राजस्थानी. Exactly.
Proper Rajasthani structure.
हाँ.
Like on a very serious note, यार, it is so intricate यार. The kind of stuff you guys do. Like obviously यहाँ पे इतना सारा jewelry तो मतलब सबको पता ही है कि गली नुक्कड़ में भी मतलब jewelry कोई ना कोई कर ही रहा होता है. The kind of distinct stuff that you guys do, कितनी research जाती है यार. मतलब I should be interviewing you guys.
आप कभी आओ जयपुर. I mean, we are doing this right now because of the movie, but otherwise as well, we have a museum, and I would love to show. I was going to tell Kriti as well. She was talking about Thali necklace. I have a Thali pendant which is about इतना बड़ा होगा 3 किलो का, one of a kind. You will not find a second piece probably in the south or in the world. So my dad and uncle when started बनाया cultures and how jewelry changes when it moves from one culture, one area to the other. वो है उसमें हर tribe में अलग jewelry, हर चीज के लिए अलग jewelry होती है. तो उसका बहुत उसमें research ये वही base ही वही है हमारा.
Because मुझे याद है मतलब बट उसके बाद तो काफी आना जाना हुआ है जुहू वाले स्टोर पे. And my mother तो is like कि यार ये तो मतलब कमाल है यार, क्योंकि छोटी छोटी चीजें भी होगी. मतलब ये देखो ये मैंने छोटी सी अंगूठी पहनी ली है, और I mean this at first glance it could be like अच्छा ठीक है कुछ पहना है, लेकिन जैसे ही आप थोड़ा उसको पास लेके आओगे, it is so intricate.
many things. Yes.
So many things,
Yes.
Nitin.
Yes.
You must
नहीं,
be
कभी आप
loving
आएंगे
your job.
दिखाएंगे. It's
आऊंगा मैं
fun
यार,
because
जयपुर आऊंगा मैं.
manufacturing के अंदर it's quite a lot of fun because you see आप कुछ बनाते हो, कुछ design करते हो, आप stones काटते हो, अपने कारीगरों से बात करते हो, and then they give life to it. And that
Yeah.
I mean we are not. I don't. I mean, when we are talking on interviews, I always say you're talking to the wrong person. The right person is the guy who's making it on the bench. वो है
कारीगर.
आर्टिस्ट तो कारीगर है मेन आदमी. हम तो ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि उनको अच्छी जॉब्स दे पाए, अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट दे पाए, तो ये कल्चर, ये ट्रेडिशन अलाइव रहे. That's about it, right? But they are the ones who are actually, working. Ethnic jewelry is seen as an iconic part of Indian bridal look. What will be your iconic piece of jewelry for your weddings?
Honestly, I haven't thought it through. Very frankly, I haven't planned that part of my life at all. But one thing I know for sure is my Nani Ma had this. I don't know if you remember this, but back in the day, there was this chapta coin jewelry that used to be worn by
Yes.
All our ancestral jewelry, where it is just in the form of these 11 ticklies
coin necklace
that are connected by
yes.
these really thin chains. So yes, it's not exactly a coin
Something
necklace. It looks like a coin necklace, but it's got that hexagon shape. The entire piece of jewelry, हम लोग उसको टिकली बुलाते हैं.
Got it.
It's in a hexagon shape. Okay. Every tickly is in the shape of a hexagon. So that is something that I've kept, and that is something that I know I will wear at some point in my life, probably on my special day or something around. Very nice. For sure.
And Vikrant has some necklaces, pearl necklaces, and some kanthas ready.
यार मैं अपने लिए तो वो तो पर्ल का वो जो शेरवानी के ऊपर जो पहनते हैं वो तो होगा ही, बट मोर और लेस आई वुड लाइक टू गिफ्ट इट टू हूएवर आई एंड अप गेटिंग मैरिड टू. मतलब मुझे इतना एक्चुअली शौक है नहीं ज्वेलरी का, तो बट हाँ मतलब ऑब्वियसली ऑन माय बिग डे व्हेनेवर दैट अराइव्स, तो वो तो एक हो गई. मतलब एक आध ब्रोच वोच लगा लेंगे पगड़ी वगड़ी पे, या कहीं पे कुछ ना कुछ कर ही लेंगे, या कोई कड़ा वड़ा पहन लेंगे. लेकिन I would love to actually gift it to my to be wife someday. ये jewelry जो एक होती है, and especially इसमें कोई ऐसे मतलब it's not about men or women. A lot of men also love wearing jewelry. I have a lot of men in my family who wear a lot of jewelry. जो मेरे maternal sides हैं, तो उनके तो मतलब कड़ों का इतना शौक है सरदारों को, तो वो भी एक कहीं ना कहीं एक ornament, एक jewelry ही हो जाती है. But when my big day arrives, I would love to gift it to my would-be.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So with the current trend in fashion gravitating from towards minimal jewelry, how can one incorporate traditional jewelry in today's fashion?
I think that's the easiest thing to do if you ask me. I don't think there is any trouble there. It's like, for example, today I'm wearing a shirt with a very traditional necklace that is Amrapali, and I love silver jewelry. Actually, I love jewelry in general. I think every girl does, more or less. So I think it's just about the vision that you have towards how you want to look. For me, if you ask me between traditional jewelry and modern jewelry, I would choose traditional any day, because I think it works very beautifully with westerns, with Indian wear, with just about anything. And I think India we have that knack in us to make jewelry work somehow. यहाँ पे कपड़े बाद में बनते हैं, jewelry पहले बनती है.
Exactly. That's my first thing I tell my clients. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होना चाहिए.
Absolutely.
How much do you both relate to your characters in the movie?
Quite a bit, yeah. Quite a bit.
Yeah.
I think there is so much of Sanjay in me. Obviously a lot of Sanjay is me because I am the one who's played that part. But there is so much of Sanjay in me.
बार
ये इसने मेरी रैगिंग बहुत.
Always sorry.
And
उसने first scene में jewelry नहीं खरीद के दी थी ना, इसलिए.
I definitely relate a lot with Sanjay यार, क्योंकि he's also like I'm from Bombay, but Sanjay comes from a small town, Jahanabad से आता है, एक joint family structure में बड़ा हुआ है. बहुत ही फैमिली ओरिएंटेड है वो बंदा, somewhere down the line. If you've seen the trailer, ये और भी कल फिल्म भी आएगी, प्लीज आप देखिएगा तो पता चलेगा कि ये दोनों एक साथ रहना चाहते हैं, लेकिन वो घर वालों का दिल नहीं तोड़ना चाहते.
बिल्कुल.
वो उनको एक रिकग्निशन है कि यस, यू नो, माँ बाप का ऑनर, माँ बाप की इज्जत, माँ बाप की खुशी, वो भी इक्वली जरूरी है. सो वो एक अडेप्ट करते हैं with the situation. So I think I am also somewhat like that. I will, you know, I love my family a lot. I love my parents a lot. I don't think I will ever go against them. And also with regards to just basic simplicity, you know, I relate a lot with Sanjay. He's a no fuss kind of guy. I would want to believe that I'm a no fuss kind of guy. So yeah, that's all.
Is there a piece of traditional jewelry that you remember from your childhood, from movies, seeing your mother wear it, that you would like to wear today? I think Kriti already told us about a piece which is from, right?
तो मेरी नानी जो थी, मेरी नानी और मेरा जो पूरा ननिहाल है वो पाकिस्तान से माइग्रेट हुआ था.
अच्छा.
पार्टीशन के टाइम पे. तो मेरी नानी काफी ज्वेलरी अपने साथ लेके आई थी, लेकिन उनके ना इयररिंग्स बड़े डिस्टिंक्ट हुआ करते थे. तो वो झुमके ही होते थे, वो प्रॉपर जो झुमके होते हैं, जो आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू कॉल दैट, जो ऐसे सेमी सर्कल में होते हैं, और
वो झुमका होता है, वो
झुमका जो होता है. बट यू नो वो सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं होता था, वो इट यूज्ड टू गो हियर आल्सो. ऊपर भी जाता था, वो सहारे के साथ
और पीछे से आता था ना,
पीछे से आता था. एंड वो उन्होंने, मतलब उनका था, वो लेके आई थी अपने साथ इतना. और वो जो कलरफुल रुमाल नहीं होते, जो मम्मियों के रुमाल होते हैं, और वो छोटा सा पाउच होता है जो उनका, मतलब वो उसमें रखा करती थी. वो उसमें डाल के रुमाल में पहले उसको फोल्ड करके ऊपर से गांठ मार के, फिर उसको उसके अंदर रख के, उसको जिप करके, फिर सेफ में डाल के, सेफ को लॉक करके, पता नहीं, मतलब जैसे चोरी होनी के घर पे होनी है. तो that's how it was, you know.
क्योंकि रुमाल में रखने से ना पॉलिश खराब नहीं होती.
Exactly.
Okay, मुझे ये नहीं पता था.
She knows her jewelry well.
She has a lot of jewelry too. She loves jewelry.
I did my course. I have a diploma. It was my job.
In jewelry?
I have a diploma in jewelry designing.
Yes, I know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she does. It slipped out of my mind.
You should be designing jewelry for your next movie yourself. ऐसा plan करो आप.
I mean, one can hope, but अभी time का है. Plan तो करती हूँ, बनाती भी रहती हूँ अपने designs, but मतलब देखेंगे.
Are you more likely to wear traditional heritage sets for your own weddings, or would you rather opt for something more modern?
No, I think I'm extremely traditional in my thinking, so I would go for something completely traditional. But I'm also someone who doesn't think so much except when she's doing a film and she's presenting a certain character a certain way. In real life, I'm very spontaneous, so I'm very capable of making a decision then and there. I'll see what my heart says.
Okay. From heavy statement pieces to dainty minimal pieces, the evolution of jewelry has come a long way. Which era was your favorite?
I think the heavy traditional era. As much as I love modern jewelry pieces, and it's very convenient for day to day, but I think the impact that a traditional piece of jewelry has on anybody is far greater.
Yeah.
I agree.
Do you think merging traditional jewelry with modern fashion takes away from the tradition, or does it help make the jewelry evergreen? And I think you are what you're wearing is the perfect answer to that. Kriti, what Kriti is wearing, and you as well. You're wearing your chain, right? With your
I don't think I'm going to answer this one.
I'm wearing this minimalist chain, this minimalist ring. But if you ask me, whatever little knowledge I have, I think all these things have over the years also survived together. We've always had a certain set of people who like fusion, or like if I, for the lack of a better word, if what Kriti's done today is such a wonderful eclectic mixed fusion of modern and traditional. But you've also simultaneously had people who are, or who opt for classical, traditional, heavy set jewelry. And lately in the last few years, as we spoke last, we've seen minimalist, sleek, light, halka pulka, jo zyada aankhon ko dikhe na. There are so many people who want to keep it. It's also a very private thing, right?
Yes.
It's also something very very personal. So ये तीनों चारों चीजें तो हमेशा मुझे लगता है कि survive की है. And even today, if you ask me, I think a good eclectic fusion of something on any given day, depending on what you feel like, depending on what you're doing, I think वो तीनों एक साथ exist कर सकती है. They can survive together.
Okay, I have a last one for you guys. Your favorite scene from the movie, which we should all look out for. Both of you, please.
My favorite scene is when Aditi, दुल्हन के उसमें तैयार होती है in आम्रपाली jewelry. You can see how gorgeous she's looking. बहुत ही सुंदर लग रही है. And Kriti, please बताइएगा तरंग को, when I saw you that day, I told you how gorgeous your jewelry is. You must tell him that. इतनी मतलब प्रॉपर लाल जोड़े में, एक क्लासिकल इंडियन ब्राइड लाल जोड़े में सोने की ज्वेलरी में, जो आपको मतलब एक इमेजरी होती है आपके हर आदमी के मन में कि जब शादी करूंगा तो मेरी बीवी ऐसी होगी शायद. तो वो सारे बॉक्सेस संजय के.
I was waiting for you to say that. I was waiting for you to eventually say कि वो जो एक दिमाग में एक जो impression or एक image होती है, वो probably is what you're talking about.
Yes, a classical Indian bride in lal joda, gold jewelry, not necessarily gold, but in our case it was gold, and she looked stunning. And if I can speak for Sanjay to matlab fell flat for her there again.
Oh man, no, definitely. I think that was one of the most stunning bridal looks that I thought I'd ever done on screen, because I played a bride so many times. It becomes a little challenging to create new looks and make sure that there is a certain freshness to it. But the Bihari bride look, I think, was one of my favorite looks in the film. And there was something just very very magical about it. But 10-15 kilo weight बढ़ गया था क्योंकि इतनी सारी jewelry पहनी हुई थी मैंने और इतनी heavy jewelry पहनी हुई थी मैंने. But having said that, I have zero regrets. I think it was just, it felt so traditional and modern all at the same time. I think that was the biggest, what I loved about it is it looked very traditional because it was all gold, but the designing was so modern because it was so intricate. It was all floral. It wasn't just jadau. There was like the jewelry had a personality of its own. Let me put it that way.
Perfect. Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you,
guys. Thank you both of you, and
thank you so much, Tarang. Lovely chatting with you. Lovely chatting.
No, and hopefully we design a piece, Kriti, at least one piece. When you say you're a designer, a jewelry designer, then when you had gone, I was telling Vikrant, please come to Jaipur, come and see the museum which we have. Come to the workshop. We do a lot of various things, but I would love to show you around, and especially from a designer jewelry point of view, then you would love it. You would love it.
We'd love to visit.
Oh, I am so thrilled about this offer, Tarang. I'm going to take you up on this. I promise you that. मतलब आपने गलत बंदे को ही ऑफर दे दिया है क्योंकि I will not let it go.
नहीं गलत को नहीं दिया. That I'm sure about.
We definitely reconnect soon.
I will be there.
Love to come and see.
Definitely. All right. Best of luck, guys. Thank you very
much.
Best
of luck.
Stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.